Timor-Leste precisa preencher requisitu tolong resinida husi Organizasaun Mundial Comércio e faze Post Adezaun.
Timor-Leste oficialmente saiu membro OMK e tinang kotuk, mas faze tu irmai tem que preencher requisitos e a compromisso tolong resingida da Organizasaun Mundial Comércio União, inclui facilidade atau facilita atividade de comércio no regulamento mercado União. Vice-primeiro-ministro, ministro coordenador assunto econômico no ministro turismo no ambiente Francisco Albuadilai Hateten, encontro nível alto entre ministerial nebe organiza husi ministro coordenador assunto econômico ne, hodi hare parecer nebe Timor-Leste atau priense.
Dadasan neba high level nia neba Ministério Interministerial nebe ma correna husi mekai não temos membro parlamento sira luliuba assunto econômico ou finança ninia assunto negócio estrangeiro nomos assunto comércio indústria nia autoto mai rona posa session e da katak depois de tatamate membro saída dele obrigação saída obrigatório saída o tan lei lubukida mas que tem que preencher.
Adjunto Diretor-Geral OMK Hateten, Timor-Leste nia Post Adezaun ba OMK nudar oportunidade ba investimento no desenvolvimento ekonomia e harailaran.
And this process has now been successfully completed. A new and equally important journey begins. One that will see the Timor-Leste transition from a sitting country to an active and engaged member of the global trading community. Today's workshop is a crucial step in that journey, building on the expert discussion which took place last week. It provides an opportunity to reflect on the right and obligation that come with WTO membership, explore how to fully leverage this new status of economic growth, and identify strategy to maximize the benefit of integration into the multilateral trading system. WTO membership offers Timor-Leste a crucial platform to deepen its engagement with the global economy. As a full-fledged member, Timor-Leste now has a seat at the table where it can advocate with trade interests, shape the rules governing global commerce, and ensure that its voice is heard in international trade discussions. In a world where economies are increasingly interconnected, no country can thrive in isolation. The WTO provides the framework for Timor-Leste to trade with greater predictability, transparency, and legal certainty, key factors in fostering investor confidence and economic stability. Beyond securing access to global market, WTO membership opens new opportunities for investment and trade-led growth. Small economies like Timor-Leste face unique structural challenges, including geographical remoteness and vulnerability to external market. However, they also possess distinctive advantages, rich natural resources, a strategic location, and a resilient entrepreneurial spirit. By aligning with global trade rules and standards, Timor-Leste can position itself as a competitive and reliable trading partner, attract foreign direct investment, and enhance its economic growth.
Timor-Leste ni asaun formula ba Adezaun OMK konfirma li husi konferensi OMK nian berdalasan resintolo nebe halau ia fulan Febrero tinan riuroron singhat ia Abu Dhabi Emirados Árabes Unidos no Parlamento Nasional halo ratifikasaun Adezaun ba OMK ia loron tolu fulan Junyo tinan riuroron singhat nune ia fulan Agosto lorong tolnulu tinan riuroron singhat Timor-Leste oficialmente sai membro OMK. Romualdo Neves, Dilma Suzeti, GMN.